Now let's take a look at the Dow Jones. We're through earnings season, so we don't have to discuss that anymore. By the way, at the end of this week, the unemployment non-farm payroll report is due out Friday. It's the biggest report of the month, and that's at the end of this week. Now the weekly chart of the Dow is an interesting ABCD pattern. If the market does not make new highs in here and the C points formed, if the market moves down, we have an ABCD completing right at a 50% of this whole move. That's the 88.40 area, so that's a pretty good support area below the market. Now let's take a look at the daily chart of the Dow. So what do we have here? Just like the S&P, we have an ABCD pattern. And look what all these things that line up at this area. So the ABCD completes 10,807. There's a 127 extension off of this swing, which makes a fib resistance at 10,819. And 10,811 is monthly pivot resistance 1, so that's the projected high of the month. Now when all these things come in together, that does not mean that it's a vacuum that'll just magically suck price up to there. That's not the way to look at it. Market does not have to go there. What it does mean is if the market does go there, we want to look for reasons to be selling it. This is a key area on the daily chart above the market for a potential sell. Also, when you look off to the left, this bar right here is the flash crash, that big day. The market tested the upper ends of that. We all remember. Then we failed and raced to the bottom end of it. Well, this is a retest of that failure area. Even before the flash crash itself, you can see the market already pulling back off these highs right in here. So here's where the heavy selling came in, not once, but twice. This would be a retest of that area. So if the market gets up there, that would be a good area to look for sell patterns completing into. Now this is the same daily chart, but looking at support below the market. On Friday, the market did test a 38% retracement off of this swing. It's already tested that once and bounced. Next move down, that support won't be so strong. Here's the deeper support level to watch. Daily confluence support at 10,169 to 10,139. And right in between those numbers, monthly pivot point for the month of August. So that's support. What we want to be watching is intraday ABCD patterns that complete down into there. That could be a good buying opportunity for us.